ka-Star Moms, today we will discuss kung ano ba ang mga requirements and ang proseso para makakuha ng CAV sa DepEd. Okay, DepEd Order number 48, Series 2007, or known as Policy and Procedural Guidelines on the Certification, Authentication, and Verification of Basic Education School Record. Ano ba yung CAV? Okay. Certification, Authentication, and Verification, or CAV, refers to an official and formal processes and acts of checking, reviewing, and certifying to the genuineness and veracity of available academic school records of a learner duly performed by the Department of Education, or DepEd, and Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA, pursuant to existing arrangement by the said departments, and shall be issued by the applicant only for any of the following applicable purposes and as required by the DFA. Number 1. Employment abroad, Seaman's Book or Seafarer's Registration Certificate, migration abroad, student visa, tourist visa, fiancé visa, descendants visa, and reimbursement of educational allowance or tuition fees of the children of overseas Filipino workers or OFW. Such other purposes as may be required in writing by the DFA. Okay, academic school records, or ASR, refers to different education-related documents attesting to the level of academic completion or accomplishment of a learner in the formal system or alternative learning system that an applicant can request for a certification, authentication, and verification, or CAV, as required for authentication by the Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA. It shall include all of the following. Any or all of the following, I mean. Number 1, elementary or secondary diploma, Form 137 or permanent record, Form 138 or report card, and then report of rating in accreditation and equivalency, or A&E, tests of the alternative learning system, or ALS, or Philippine Educational Placement Test, or PEPT. So, yan ho ang mga requirements para ka makakuha ng CAV. Sino-sino ba ang certifying officers? Okay, so certifying officers refers to those who are authorized by this order to certify those academic school records of a learner as enumerated in this section. They either appointed or designated by the duly constituted authorities as follows. Number 1, records custodian or registrar, school heads, division records officer, administrative officer 5 for administrative section, assistant schools division superintendent, schools division superintendent, regional records officer, regional chief administrative officer, administrative division, assistant regional director, regional director. For the purpose of issuance of the certification and authentication and verification, or CAV form, the signature and approval therein shall be by the regional director or assistant regional director or regional chief administrative officer and administrative division in the said signing authority order. In case of lost, damaged, or destroyed documents inform the applicant accordingly. However, the applicant should be advised to produce any of the following as may be basis for reconstruction of academic school records. Kunyari, matagal na yung nag-graduate yung learner and then gusto niya mag-abroad. Tapos yung paaralan niya dati may nangyari, kunyari nasunog, so wala na yung mga iba niyang wala na yung mga academic school records. So ano pa dapat ang gawin? Kapag wala na kayong maipakita, wala na kayong makuha na card man lang or permanent record o wala na rin sa inyo yung diploma nyo. So kung ano ang gagawin nyo? Una, sworn statement of any two of the applicant's classmates, principals, or teachers, and supported by either the school graduation photos, souvenir program, or graduation program. Or, next, duly certified copy of either Form 137 or Form 138 of the learner on file in any tertiary learner institution or diploma or transcript of records on file in the learner's current or previous employers. In case of lost diploma, reconstructed diploma shall be issued for CAV purposes only upon presentation of any of the above mentioned requirements under preceding item number 4. The construction of a diploma shall be subject to submission of incontestable proof of all learners' completion of the academic requirements of the appropriate academic program, provided that the contents of the diploma shall strictly follow the DepEd prescribed format. Ito po yung example ng diploma kapag mag-reconstruct kayo kung nawala na yung diploma ng bata. So, kunyari, wala na yung principal, wala na rin yung superintendent kasi nagretiro na. So, ilagay nyo pa rin yung pangalan ng dating principal kung kailan nag-graduate yung bata at ang pangalan ng superintendent. So, sa itaas. Okay? Lagyan lang po siya ng open and close parentheses at lagyan ng SGD. Okay? Signed. So, dyan ang punong guro at ang superintendent. So, lagyan lang siya ng open and close parentheses at lagyan ng SGD or sign. Okay. Then, sa ibaba ay yung current na principal at ang current na superintendent. Diyan po sila mag-signature. Ngayon, may bayad ba para sa magpa-CAV? Okay, ito po. No service fee shall be charged from any applicant for certification, authentication, and verification or CAV. The issuance of CAV shall be the function and responsible of the record section in DepEd Regional Office. So, wala pong bayad. Okay, ngayon, ano ba ang mga CAV forms na i-accomplish ng school? Number 1, CAV Form 6 or List of Approved CAV Requests. So, ito po yung sample. So, control number, name ng bata o ng learner, date of application, and date of transmita. So, ito po yung sample. Next, school transmittal to the regional office or the first endorsement. So, ito yung CAV form, 5. So, ito po yung sample ng CAV Form 5. So, kung ano po yung in-attach nyo na document, so yun po yung i-check nyo. Kunyari, certification of completion or graduation, certification of English as medium of instruction, Form 137, diploma. So, i-check nyo lahat yan. Pero itong certification of English as medium of instruction, hindi po lahat nagre-require yung employer kung mag-abroad yung bata. So, hindi po lahat ng employer nag-require ng certification of English as medium of instruction. So, kung wala po nito, wag nyo na po itong i-check. Okay, next is the certification of enrollment or completion or graduation or CAV Form 5. Okay, example, ang bata ay nag-graduate ng high school or elementary. So, dito kayo mag-check sa satisfactory graduated from elementary, underline elementary. Pag secondary, i-underline yung secondary or i-delete nyo na lang yung secondary kung ang bata ay nag-graduate ng elementary. So, ang ilagay nyo elementary or secondary. And then, kung ang bata ay hindi nakagraduate, kunyari hanggang grade 5 lang siya. So, ang i-check nyo, completed grade 5 during school year 2020 to 2021. So, wag dito sa satisfactory graduated kasi hanggang grade 5 lang siya. Ngayon, kung ang bata ay hanggang grade 5 sa inyo, pero hindi niya natapos yung grade 5, dito nyo i-check sa enrolled in grade 5 during school year 20 to 2021. So, yan lang po. Kung hanggang saan lang yung bata. Okay, yung next na CAV form ay certification of English as a medium of instruction or CAV Form 17. Sa sinabi ko na kanina, depende na po yan sa employer kung for abroad or for work yung CAV. So, depende na po yun sa employer kung mag-require sila ng English, certification of English as medium of instruction. So, ito po yung sample ng form. Okay? So, paalala lang po, make it sure na consistent po yung mga entry natin. Kung ano po yung entry na nasa Form 137 sa diploma, especially yung date po ng graduation, kailangan consistent po. Kasi minsan dito kadalasan may incorrect na entry yung date ng graduation. So, kailangan i-double check po natin. Kailangan consistent po yung mga document, especially yung mga spelling at ang date po. At yun lang po lahat. So, kung meron po kayong mga tanong, mag-comment lang po kayo below.